product of 8 years of development. BMW's original E31 8 Series caused such a stir that it set a precedent for the brand moving forward. This Orient Blue Metallic 850 CSi is one of only 14 shipped to North America in 1994. It combines 5.6 liters of V12 power with a tough 6-speed, aggressive bodywork, and plush luxury to become the ultimate expression of the ultimate driving machine. There's just something about a BMW that conveys the perfect combination of aggressive performance and excellent driving dynamics. And this rare coupe, dressed in a great-looking coat of original Orient Blue flash, puts a sophisticated twist on a timeless favorite. The pillarless profile is straight, solid, and still feels inspired decades after its debut. And top-option CSi trim adds M-inspired bumpers, aggressive sills, and revised exhaust outlets. Inside, you'll find attractive Nappa leather that complements glowing trim. Heated and power-operated seats feature 3 memory settings for the driver. Red needle gauges points at a CSi spec speedo and a CSi spec graduated redline tach. A Motorsport-themed shifter toggles between 12-speaker audio, dual-zone climate control, and a rocker for the car's sport and comfort throttle settings. And the driver spins a Motorsport-stitched steering wheel around a tilting and telescoping column. Tuned so much over its 850 CS brethren, the S70B56 V12 warranted a brand new S engine code that is exclusively reserved for BMW's flagship M cars. That 375 horsepower mill is managed by a Jetrix 6-speed, limited slip differential, and Autobahn-friendly 293 gears. Down to the M-Car exclusive WBS VIN, the 850 CSi is the M8 that was never built, and this one is likely to be one of the best survivors in existence. Looking for something modern that's poised to become a future grail? Here's your ultimate driving machine. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.